Good morning, students. So today we will be discussing about theorem 6.1, that is, if a line is drawn perpendicular to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That is, if a triangle is given, the name of the triangle is ABC, and the two parallel are drawn at D and E. Okay, then given solution, in solution you write given a triangle ABC in which a line parallel to the other two sides AB and AC are intersected, in which two lines parallel to other two sides AB and AC at D and E intersect at D and E respectively. So ABC is a triangle where D and E points intersect. D intersect at AB and E intersect at AC, such that DE is parallel to BC. So we need to prove DE is parallel to BC. So to prove what? AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so construction, what we need to do, the construction. So I am erasing this part. You note it down by taking a snapshot. Construction: let us join BE and CD. Okay, this much. Let us join BE and CD. Okay, and then draw EN perpendicular to AD, EN perpendicular to AD, and DM perpendicular to AE. DM perpendicular to AE. Okay, so this is the construction we make. Now we will choose first this part, that is AD. In triangle ADE we will choose only this side, that is, if I separate ADE, so N, this is the height, this is the base. Now in triangle ADE, area triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height. So what is half? What is area? Half into base. What is the base? AD is the base. What is the height? EN is the height. Similarly, in triangle BDE, first we will choose this part. So in triangle BDE, area BDE is equal to half into, what is the base? base is dB. What is the height? This is the height, so this is similar to this, so we will consider En as height. Okay, understood this much part? So similarly, when we choose this part, again when we choose this part, this area, A, D, E, and this time DM is the height and A is the base. So here we will do the ratio. So I am erasing this. So after this, area, now area triangle ADE equal to half into AD into EN and by area BDE, that is half into dB into En. Half cancel, En cancel, that is AD by dB. Now similarly for this side, area ADE is equal to half into AE is the base, height is DM. Okay, this is the height DM. Similarly for this part, DEC. DEC. Area DEC equal to half into what is the base? EC is the base. And what is the height? Since this is the height, so we can consider DM as height. So similarly, we can write area ADE by area DEC is equal to half into AE into DM by half into area, that is EC into DM. So half cancel, DM cancel. What is left? AE by EC. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So I am erasing this part now. I hope you have took the notes. Now since triangle BDE and CDE and triangle CDE lie on the same base DE and between the same parallel DE and BC, hence area BDE is equal to area DEC. So already ADE is equal to ADE. Now we were to prove BDE is equal to DEC. So we can prove by this, because the DE is common base. DE is the common base of BDE and CDE. So we can choose the same. Therefore, area, hence area ADE by area BDE equal to area ADE by area DEC, that is equal to AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. I hope you all have understood this. So this is a bit complicated one, but once you separate this part, first you solve for this part, then you solve for this part. You separate the triangles. So take a note of this. So I am going to erase this. So first you should solve this part. Okay. Then you should solve for ADC. First A, B, E, then A, D, C. You are gonna solve these two parts taking the common things. Okay. Now let us come to example number 1. So this was theorem 6.1. Now let us come to example number 1, that is if a line intersects sides AB and AC. Example number 1, if a line intersects sides A, B and AC of triangle ABC and D and E respectively, and is parallel to BC, prove that AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. So what is given in the question is that solution. We are given a triangle ABC, ABC, where DE is parallel to BC. That means if DE is parallel to BC, by theorem 6.1, we can state that AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. Now we can reverse the thing, BD by AD equal to CE by AE. Then adding 1 on both sides, we get BD by AD plus 1 is equal to CE by AE plus 1. So I am erasing the picture, take a note of this picture. So we can get BD plus AD by AD equal to CE plus AE by AE. That will give you, what was the picture? This was the picture, ABC DE. So AD plus BD will give you AB by AD, and CE plus AE, this will give you AC by AE. Then again reverse it, reciprocate it, AD by AB is equal to AE by AC. I hope you all have understood this much. So on this topic I am going to end this exercise here itself, and we will start the next topic on the next video. Thank you.